What? I don't have time for this. Happy birthday to me!
My name is Tony. I pretty much hate everything. I'm a member of the 12th Street Gang. We're in a chaotic conflict with the Gucci Gang, who have bases just north of our territory. It's been an ongoing struggle, and I fear what will come of this everlasting conflict. Me and my close associates are unsure of what steps to take next. I will just keep living and see how to survive this fucking conflict.
Tony, glad you came. I called you here because the Gucci Gang is making moves on our territory. There are steps that need to be taken to ensure our survival.
I don't know what can be done. They outnumber us.
I have a plan that will create an opportunity for us to make a move.
This is bullshit.
Yeah? Tomorrow night, the Gucci Gang is taking their ship.
The plan was simple. I would go to the central compound of the Gucci Gang, get in, find the object of importance, get out. I understood why I was the one having to complete this important mission, and I was ready to face whatever lay before me. I was able to secure the object in order to cripple the Gucci Gang ranks. I took the object back to Harry and he almost cried. Within the coming weeks, we'll move in on their territory and eliminate the Gucci Gang outpost by outpost. It will be a bloody end to the war, but it will be the end. Though the conflict will soon end, I realize that this chaos and darkness does not weaken me, but I thrive in it.